Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into something super cool that every brand needs in their life, a social media kit. So, you must be wondering, what is a social media kit? Well, let me break it down for you. Imagine having a magic box with all the goodies that you need to slay on social media. Yes. A social media kit is basically a collection of branded materials and resources. We're talking logos, images, graphics, brand colors, hashtags, all in one place so you can post and share your content in one click. Easy peasy. So for all the marketing peeps out there, this kit is going to be your new BFF. It basically helps you keep all your branded materials in one spot so you have that cohesive and consistent look on all of your social platforms. Why is this a big deal? Why do I have to be consistent? Consistency is key. You want to make your viewers and the people who follow you or whoever you're trying to target know that if you post something online and you have that similar vibe and branding and style, they know it is you. That is top-notch branding. If you want to level up your social media game and your online presence, then a social media kit is perfect for you. Come with me and let me show you how you can get all your branded goodies done in Picsart. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to create everything from scratch on Picsart, but you can definitely do that if you want to. For this, I'm going to show you the screen of my laptop right now, and we're going to create all of the brand kit together with the elements that we already have. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and add my logo to a blank page. So this is my logo. I created a brand that's called Guava Sustainable Skincare. As you can tell, it is a skincare brand. And then we are going to start adding like different variations of the logo, so you can add the logo with the background. And in order to do something like this, you're going to go ahead into shapes. You're going to add a shape that you want. So I'm giving you an example. Let's do simple shapes. This is the square, and then you're going to fill it out with the colors of your brand. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And there you go. And then we have the icon that's in the logo itself. We created another variation of that icon alone. And then we are going to start adding in the color palette. So I created a color palette like this. Everything is done with Picsart. Again, you can use the shapes and the color picker, or you can choose your own colors. And then I'm going to basically add the color variation numbers for each color. We are going to choose a text type. I went with Helvetica LTSTD bold, and then the smaller version of that. There you go. You have all of your branding in one place. I would export this and save it as my branding. So whenever I'm creating content, I would actually import this and take all of the necessities from here, which means the colors, the icons, and we can add them to our templates. Okay, so moving on into templates, these are the 3 templates that I chose to go into my social media kit. I will keep on using these styles of templates, changing up the photos and changing up the vibes when I'm editing. So for an example, I'm gonna use this template. So this is an animated template. Let me show you how that works. So when you download this and post it, it's gonna look like that. But if you don't want it animated and you want to change the photo, you're just going to go into your photos, and let's say this is our product. We want to drag and drop it in here, and we don't want to add text here, or we don't want this to be in there. So I'm going to take this and put it down here, and let's say I wanted to say new drop. There we go. And then from here you can export it. If you want to keep it as an animated post, you can. If not, just go to the MP4 file type and change it to JPEG, and then you can download it from there. Okay, now that we have the templates, the branding guidelines, everything done, we're gonna start creating our feed, and I have added a couple of image collages here so we can just drag and drop. So you're gonna go to photos and upload every photo that you have for your brand, and then we're just gonna start assembling it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my logo right here in the middle, and then we're gonna start curating it just like by dragging and dropping in here, and see how the flow goes. You can basically go ahead and zoom in and zoom out for the pictures and kind of like get the vibe of how you want your social media to look like. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So we're gonna add that new drop in there. I love creating a social media feed. It makes me so happy to see every single thing come to life. All right, so this is going to be your final feed. You can keep on coming back and changing up the calendar however you like, and it's gonna look amazing once everything is out and in front of you. And then the final thing is, now that I have everything done, I need the hashtags and captions. So I'm gonna go ahead into AI Writer and basically write sustainable skincare brand. And then I'm just gonna generate a bunch of hashtags, and this is going to be my hashtag bank. And we're gonna take these and add them to our posts every single time. And then if you're out of captions, we can also do that. So you can come here, sustainable skincare brand, and then just generate. And from here, you can get all the captions you want, plus the hashtags we just created. There you have it. Every single thing in one platform. Thank you for hanging out with me and listening to me blabber about social media kits. You are not going to regret it. Go ahead and download Picsart or go to Picsart Web and create your own social media kit. Trust me, it will be a lifesaver. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and come back every Monday for a new Picsart video. Bye!